Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options available on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sounds and Vibration. Now click on Vibrate right away next to Sound. This way, you can mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also go back to Sound. Come on. And tap on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Call Vibrations and tap on the best pattern for you, like medium. You can also disable it completely by selecting Silent instead. When you're ready, go back, tap on Notification Vibration, and do exactly the same for your notifications. Then click on System Vibration, swipe left or right on this slider to adjust intensity of them, and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to turn on or off haptic feedback for them. Lastly, go back, click on Vibration Intensity, and over here you can manage System Haptics Intensity by swiping left or right on this slider. When you're ready, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!